the brand itself, its products. We're speaking again on a few aspects of the fact that South Africa is a water scarce country, and whatever factors may contribute thereto, the fact is we are a water scarce country, and the fact is that if we don't put drastic measures in now, we're going to have a problem very, very soon. And there are, what is that word, a conglomerate of solutions that can be put together, and rain harvesting or rainwater harvesting certainly is one of those. That's why it's so lucky to have you two in the studio, because you guys are taking rainwater harvesting to a very next level.
Yeah, thanks, Willem. Yeah, I think you're quite right. And then obviously the water crisis, you know, the things that we're seeing in Gauteng and KwaZulu-Natal, in the big cities, you know, from a water crisis point of view, is nothing compared to what we see in some of the smaller towns and cities around South Africa. So there's a real problem. And unfortunately, unlike electricity, there's no silver bullet answer. You know, we've got to find the right solution for each different client, and rain harvesting is going to play a huge role in that.
Massive.